What builds the living world block by block? It all begins with cells, the basic units of life on Earth. Picture them like bricks in a giant puzzle. Each cell works on its own, yet connects with neighbors. They carry out metabolism, grow and replicate. Together, they form the sturdy foundation for everything living. Next, similar cells group together to form tissues. Imagine muscle tissue flexing like stretchy cords. Nervous tissue sends lightning, fast signals through your body. Each tissue specializes in one job, creating strength, communication, or support. These blocks stack up neatly, preparing for the next level of complexity. Different tissues combine to form organs. The heart pumps tirelessly, mixing muscle and connective tissues. Lungs expand and contract, rich in respiratory tissue. Each organ has a unique shape and function, like a custom-built block. Together, they handle specific tasks, keeping your body running smoothly. When organs team up, they form organ systems. The circulatory system pumps blood through vessels. The digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients. Each system acts like a building's specialized wing. They collaborate seamlessly, delivering energy and protection, enabling you to think, move, and grow. Finally, all organ systems integrate into a complete organism. Like a fully built structure, you stand as one entity. Every heartbeat, thought, and breath shows this harmony. From single cells to a living you, the building block journey is complete. It's a masterpiece of organization, unfolding wonder in every moment. These building blocks reveal life's remarkable complexity, showing how simple parts join to create living beings. Appreciate the wonder of biology today.